your name. Amigo! Loud and clear this time. How else can you greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you feeling today? Good, that's nice to hear. Amigo here can count. Okay, he's going to count 1 to 10. First in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect then. To top that off, he's going to count in a different language. Count in Chinese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, besides counting, Amigo here can also sing. Okay, before he sings, can you please warm up? Sing a line in Japanese. Chotomate kudasai. Chotomate kudasai. One more time in Japanese. Chotomate kudasai. Oh yes, very nicely done. I think he's all warmed up now. He'll be singing 3 songs in 3 different languages. The first one being a local children's song. 客人来 A guest comes to visit. Amigo, let's hear that song in Mandarin. 客人来看爸爸，爸爸不在家，我一个人坐家，在一内好。客人来吧 Amigo, word for word.
Yay!
Second song, very catchy tune, is a Malay song, no? Rasa Sayang, feelings of love. Very romantic, but yeah, let's listen to Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat Luna jauh, sana, sana. Thank you. Good morning, Rocky. Hello, Rocky is our penguin buddy. What do you want, Rocky? Is that so? Today? Really? What do you know, everyone? Today is Rocky's birthday. Happy birthday to you, Rocky. Look at him, so happy dancing and all. Amigo will sing you a special song. If it's your birthday today, this song goes out to you as well, okay? Amigo, pin it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, you made our penguin very happy, Amigo. Thank you. Now it's time for Amigo to make his way back home as well. Before he goes, one last word. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And bye-bye to you. To a big round.